Hi, so what I got here is the Bissell PowerForce Compact Turbo, and the turbo part comes from this turbo brush. So unlike the Compact, which only has the base unit there and a couple of accessories, this particular one comes with the turbo fan or the turbo brush. And this turbo brush rotates when it is plugged into either the wand or the hose. So I'll also demo this particular accessory along with this on this area rug here. So I will do a couple of passes on the area rug and show you just how powerful the suction power is. And let me go ahead and do that. Now before I vacuum this area rug here, let me show you some of the accessories and also the unit itself. So you'll see from top to bottom, that is the wand. There is also an accessory holder for the turbo brush and also for the two other accessories, which is the crevice tool and the sort of utility brush here. So let me go ahead and zoom in here. Give you another look at this utility brush. And I will demo this along with this crevice tool here. And this is a 7-inch crevice tool for cornering and also for the sides. And you can see that it seats pretty deep into those slots and it doesn't really fall off all that much. Now I am going to take the canister out and give you a look here. So the canister empties out with this push button here. So it's hands-free, where you could just empty it out like this. Now the whole thing can be taken apart and rinsed, including the internal unit here. So if I pull this out, you could see there is a filter that you could rinse or even replace. This is just a simple little foam here. Now around this base here at the top, you could remove it, and there's a rubber gasket that keeps the suction and the vacuum within the canister. And it's pretty tight, so I'm gonna use some force and pull it out, and you can see the rubber gasket here. Now the top piece here also removes, so you just twist it off. You could clean off each individual piece. So you could imagine you could just dump this into a bucket, but keep in mind not to use any harsh detergents because this is a rubber gasket. And when you're done rinsing the entire thing, you could simply put it back here, and it does have an alignment there where it seats right in, and it simply comes out like that, and pretty much hands-free. You click it back in. Now just moving down the unit here, you can see that's where the canister seats, but also at the bottom here, that's the tilt mechanism. And this is the on-off step switch. So you don't have to reach for any button. You just step on it with your foot, and that's on and that's off. And this is tilt. So it's actually very convenient like that, where you're just going to use your foot and step on it. And I will also demo that as I vacuum later. Now, as far as the cord organizer, this is also very handy. You can see here with the cord organizer, you could simply flip it out and take the whole cord out. Now the cord itself is 23 feet, so that's a pretty long cord for a compact vacuum like this. And the hose itself detaches so that you can have the wand for reaching things. So you can see the hose detaches here, and what you can do is you could simply put the accessories like this, or what you can do is also detach the wand. So as you can see here with the wand, you could push this button here and detach it, and this wand comes out, and you could use it to clean your curtains, reach your curtains, clean the corner of your ceilings, and you simply attach the wand and hook it in here, and now your wand can be used to reach a lot of this. So with the turbo fan, it could also be placed where the wand is, right here, or directly on the hose itself. So if I detach this hose and detach this turbo brush here, I could attach this to the hose, and this thing will power the belt here and start rotating the brushes. So I will demo that in a second. So now I have the turbo brush here, and I am going to turn on the vacuum by simply stepping on this power button, red button here. And you'll notice how it starts spinning. So that's the turbo brush. Now the good thing about this vacuum is that it's so light that I could simply hang on to the vacuum and start using it, walking around. So that's the great thing about a compact vacuum like this. So what I'm going to do here, take this, you can see the brushing lightly, or I could go ahead, hang on to this vacuum, and brush my upholstery and sofa. So that's the advantage of this turbo brush. So see there, the canister is empty, and I am just going to take a couple of minutes and vacuum this rug here. So what you'll notice is I'm going to step on this red button for on and off, and also this green button for tilt. So I have this tilted here now. That's how I turn it on. Keep in mind that this is 23 feet of cord, so that's adequate for your typical room. And you'll notice there, in that short period of time, what you get is this much dirt. And actually that's a lot of dust there. So let me give you another angle. So this does clean pretty well. It is pretty powerful. And I want to give you some idea here. So there you go. That is the demo for your PowerForce, your Bissell PowerForce Compact Turbo. And I will have links in the description area of the video, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Hi, so what I have here is the Bissell PowerForce Compact Turbo. So the difference between the PowerForce Compact and the PowerForce Compact Turbo is the turbo brush. So what I'm going to do is give you a close-up view of all of those accessories, including the compact turbo brush. So let me go ahead and zoom in here. So So just to show you what comes out of the box, so you have the crevice tool here, you have the dusting tool, and then you have the turbo power brush. And this is the utility holder, the wand, and the base. So it basically comes completely assembled. You have the instruction manual here and then the warranty card here.